The WERHY 8.5-inch 350-watt scooter features a robust motor and a high-capacity battery, allowing riders to reach speeds of up to 19 miles per hour and travel distances of up to 19 miles under optimal conditions. Equipped with solid honeycomb tires, this scooter minimizes maintenance needs and eliminates the worry of flat tires, offering a smooth ride with 3 different riding modes to suit various preferences. Built with a stable aluminum frame, the scooter ensures smooth acceleration and safe turns, while the dual brake system incorporates both drum braking and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking for enhanced safety. The LED display provides clear information on speed, mode, and cruise control, and is complemented by safety features like automatic illumination in low light and flashing taillights during braking to prevent rear-end collisions. Thanks to its convenient one-step folding mechanism, the scooter can be folded in just 3 seconds, and weighing only 33 pounds, it's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for urban commutes and travels. The WERHY scooter comes with a smart app compatible with both iOS and Android systems, enhancing user experience through app control and offering a quality warranty for peace of mind.